Updating your W-4 form on Paychex is a straightforward process that ensures your tax withholding aligns with your current financial situation. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your Paychex account. Access the Paychex website and enter your login credentials to access your employee account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one or contact your HR department for assistance. Step 2. Navigate to the payroll section. Once logged in, locate the payroll or tax section of your account. This area typically contains options related to your tax forms and withholding information. Step 3. Find the W-4 form. Look for the option to view or update your W-4 form. This may be listed under tax forms or employee documents depending on the layout of the Paychex interface. Step 4. Complete the W-4 form. Follow the prompts to fill out the W-4 form. Make sure to provide accurate information regarding your filing status, number of allowances, and any additional withholding you wish to specify. Step 5. Submit your changes. After completing the form, review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the updated W-4 form. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been processed. By following these steps, you can easily update your W-4 form on Paychex to reflect your current tax situation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to your HR department or Paychex support.